Hey guys, so today we're going to talk about the types of data that you see in research and literature. Okay, here's the video. Okay, so here you go. We're just gonna quickly summarize the types of data that we use in the research. So data could be either qualitative or quantitative. Sometimes we call qualitative data as categorical. Quantitative data sometimes called or named numerical. Okay, so for qualitative data, we have three types or subtypes. The first one is binary data or dichotomous. So for example, if we're looking at the sex of the population, could be either male or female. So it's only one of these two options. Smoking, for example, either smoker or non-smoker, right? So for the unordered categorical data or nominal data, so for example, ethnic group, right? So we have a few categories. It doesn't matter how you order them. Blood group, so we have A, B, AB, or O. It doesn't matter how you order them. Nationality, right? So many nationalities. The ordered or categorical data, or sometimes we call it ordinal data, just because they are in order. For example, if you're looking at the smoking status and the amount of the smoking, so for example, you may arrange them this way. So number 1 is non-smoker, 2 is ex-smoker, 3 smokes from 1 to 5 cigarettes per day, and then so on. Okay, so that's the qualitative data, or again the categorical data. So it could be binary or dichotomous, ordered, categorical, or nominal, and the last one is ordered, categorical, or ordinal data. Now let's move to the quantitative data, or what we call numerical data. Okay, so this could be either discrete quantitative numerical data or continuous quantitative numerical data. So for the discrete, for example, the number of children, so 1, 2, 3, you cannot have 1.5 children, for example, right? So it has to be either 1, 2, or 3, and so on. The number of visits to the doctor, you cannot have 1.3 visit to the doctor. The number of cups of a coffee you consume per day, for example. The other one, the continuous quantitative numerical data, for example, age, 1 day, 2 days, 1.5 day, or in month, or in years, 1.5 year, 3 years, and so on, right? The same for weight, height, and blood pressure, for example. So I hope that was helpful. It was quick, short video just to summarize the types of data that we use in literature and research. Hope that was helpful, and thanks for listening.